Hello everybody, this is my channel Fab My Ride, and this is my van. It's a 99 Chevrolet Express. I was lucky to get the one with the high top, but unfortunately there was nothing inside. It was just basically the driver and passenger seat and some middle seat. So in this area I'm going to tell you how I transform that regular vehicle in a basically a tiny home. So let's go to the next slide. And so in this episode I'm going to talk about just the floor installation, and in following episode I'm going to talk you about all the other steps of my project. So this is the material I use, so plywood, flooring, and some grinder. You can basically find all of those in your local hardware store. So this is the original state of my vehicle, but I was also lucky that I had a very nice insulation, and I was intending to keep it and to less alter as possible this state. So this is the view from the back. Like you see, I had to clean the carpet though, and I didn't want to remove the carpet because I wanted to keep that insulation without too much hassle. So I chose to just put a flooring on the top of the carpet. So this is the initial setup just for you guys to see. So I'm going to use that plywood on the top and cover the whole thing with some vinyl flooring. So I had to kind of use paper to measure the geometry of the plywood I will have to cut, like you can see, so it could look like nicer. So this is it. So after this I can draw the cutting line for the plywood. So I use a 500-watt grinder. Yeah, he did pretty good job. So yeah, then I could set up all the plywood as you can see on the picture. Then I use some aluminum sheet to kind of link those two together, like you see that side too. And this is the vinyl flooring I'm going to use to cover up the whole thing. So first I use the glue, like the spatula and the glue, to just spread out as much glue as I could as on all over the place. And you really have to use that specific spatula, so you're gonna have a nice finish and avoid like bubble underneath your flooring. So there is all that glue all over the place, and now you can cut the vinyl flooring with the shape you desire. And yeah, just spread out the whole thing, then stick the flooring on the hardwood, if I can call it like that. And yeah, this is basically the final result. So you can notice I let like a gap over here. And yeah, this is gonna be the point of the next episode. This is where I'm gonna build the bathroom. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.